Imagine instantly having hot water to make tea, warm baby bottles, or even blanch vegetables. With the InSinkErator Hot 100 Instant Hot Water Dispenser, you'll have near boiling water right at your sink. The easy push-button technology, along with its simple design, complements contemporary kitchen styles. It sits on your sink while the hot water tank resides conveniently underneath, and it's available in chrome or satin nickel finishes. The hot water shuts off when you release the button, and don't worry about installation. It's a simple 5-step process, so why not have instant hot water for cooking, cleaning, or thawing food with the Hot 100 Instant Hot Water Dispenser from InSinkErator.
This is Omni from Franca, one tap that does it all. Cold water from the mains, of course, and hot water from your home heating system naturally. But what's really wonderful is that this same kitchen tap also delivers delicious freshly filtered drinking water, so no more need for filter jugs or expensive bottled water. And if you think that's refreshing, Omni also delivers instant boiling water, not nearly boiling water like some other taps, but really boiling water at 100 degrees Celsius, which can really help speed up cooking or help make the perfect cup of tea. Sounds expensive? Well, Omni is actually more affordable than other taps that don't deliver fully boiling water. It's easy to install, takes up little space, and works with your existing plumbing. It even has a built-in cut-off switch to keep the whole family safe. Omni from Franca. One tap does it all.
Once the hole has been drilled, the faucet can now be mounted. Before sliding the faucet stem through the hole, slide the faucet disc up to the faucet base first. The spout can rotate 360 degrees, allowing the base to be mounted with the handle facing the sink or away. Now, slide the faucet stem through the countertop hole. It is helpful to have one person hold and position the faucet above the counter, while securing it below. Under the countertop, slide the black locating washer, followed by the lock washer up the stem. Next, secure the faucet by tightening the lock nut by hand, and then with an adjustable wrench. Once the faucet is secured, attach the faucet adapter to the stem. Simply screw the threaded end to the stem, as no Teflon tape is needed. To dispense the water, simply turn the faucet handle in the open position. The handle will lock, allowing water to continually flow. To stop water flow, turn off.
Wouldn't it be wonderful to instantly have hot water to make tea, blanch vegetables, and have cool filtered water available for drinking? With the InSinkErator Contemporary Instant Hot and Cool Water Dispenser, you'll have filtered near boiling and cool filtered drinking water right at your sink. The fluid design, along with advanced technology, makes this the perfect complement to just about any versatile kitchen. It elegantly sits on your sink, while the hot water tank resides conveniently underneath. It's available in a variety of designer finishes and made of durable low-lead brass construction. The spout swivels, making it easy to move out of the way or fill a container. And the hot water shuts off when you release the handle. Don't worry about installation. It's a simple 5-step process. So why not have instant hot water for cooking, cleaning, or thawing food with the contemporary instant hot and cool water dispenser from InSinkErator?